Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study for You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Measures to address learning issues for differently abled children. Recommendations for stakeholders in education. Government responsibilities. Ensure that children with all types of disabilities can attend regular schools. Provide resources such as trained teachers, support staff, and necessary materials. Implement comprehensive teacher training programs, including pre-service and in-service courses. Develop policies and allocate resources to support diverse educational practices. Consider homeschooling for children with severe disabilities as a temporary measure. Collaborate with NGOs during the transition to fully inclusive education under government oversight. Offer continuous support from early intervention through all school levels. Provide early intervention and family support services for children from birth to 6 years old. Engage parents and understand their capacity to support their children's education. Schools, parents, and community. Involve parents as partners in developing and implementing education plans for their children. Welcome parents, volunteers, and community members to assist in classrooms. Encourage parents to help teachers prepare materials and support teaching efforts, including for their own children with disabilities. Moving towards inclusive education. Right to education and equity. Ensure children with disabilities are recognized in all policy documents and action plans. Guarantee access to high-quality education tailored to their needs. Finding out-of-school children. Commit to including children with disabilities in national policies and action plans. Collaborate with NGOs and communities to locate and include out-of-school children. Gradual shift to inclusive schools. Integrate the education of children with disabilities into mainstream national education policy. Enacting legislation. The challenge. Use legislation to turn educational policy into mandatory provisions within the school system. Ensure legislation covers children with disabilities to facilitate their access to education. Address the transition period for both the education system and the status of children with disabilities. Embrace a rights-based approach to education, removing barriers to inclusion. Shift the perception of persons with disabilities from objects of charity to subjects of rights. Reflect these rights in both international and national laws and policies. Allocating budgetary resources. The challenge. Secure funding to implement educational policies. Address equity in education, which may require significant changes and additional resources. Commit to including all children, including those with disabilities, in the education system. Steps to consider: reorganize administrative structures to increase responsibility for all children. Revamp teacher training programs, including orientation and awareness training. Ensure the availability of materials and technologies for children with disabilities. Move towards making schools accessible for all students. Long-term vision: educating children with disabilities in regular schools is essential for inclusive communities. Special schools serve only a small minority and are not financially viable for all children. Embrace the philosophy of building inclusive communities, focusing on equity and rights.